everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today is so exciting, yay! I am going to be choosing the winner of this bag right now. So if you want to see who won this giveaway, then you know what to do. Just sit tight and I will be right back. Okay, so here is my bag right here. This is the one that I took to North Carolina with me, and I just loved it because look at all these pockets, look at everything, and look at how deep that is in there. So many things fit in there, so I'm so excited to be able to send one of you this bag. Yay! So this is the one that I will be sending out to you, the winner. So let's go ahead and just get all the names off of Instagram and I will be right back. Okay, so here are all the names right here, cut up. They are 39 names. It doesn't even look like there's 39 in there, but there's 39 in there. So I'm just going to scramble it up and I am going to choose a winner. I'm not gonna look when I do reach in. I'm just gonna turn away and pick. And then I am going to do an alternate winner. Just in case the winner doesn't contact me with their address, I will send it to the alternate winner, okay? And if that alternate winner doesn't contact me with their address, then I will probably send it to the person that I get the most comments from on a weekly basis. Alrighty guys, so let's just get started. I'm gonna shake it up. And I'm gonna also scramble it up. I'm not looking. Okay, now I am going to pick one name. The winner is Chuty Ramirez, C-H-U-T-Y Ramirez. That is their account name on Instagram, Chuty Ramirez. So that is the winner. Yay! Congratulations! And I am going to pick an alternate winner in case that person doesn't contact me. The alternate winner is Jenny Lou 2245. I think I know who that is. It's Jenny, Nathan's mom. So if Chuty Ramirez does not contact me, then Jenny will be getting the bag. So okay, yay! Congratulations to both of you, and hopefully Chuty gets a hold of me. If not, Jenny, the bag is yours. Alrighty guys, so this has been so much fun. I can't wait to hear back from the winner so that I can send this bag off. You are going to love it. But let me tell you, if you did not win, don't fret. I will leave a link down below for a discount code, 25% off of the bag. The bag is only $19.99, so a discount code would probably make the bag about $14, 14 and some change, maybe 15. So yeah, just go to their website and go and buy yourself one, buy one for a friend, buy one for a family member, because everyone will love this bag. Trust me, I loved this bag when I took it to North Carolina. It held everything that I needed. All my brushes, all my makeup, all my toiletries, all my hair products, everything, even my hair straightener. Oh my goodness, and my undies and my socks. Alrighty guys, this has been so much fun. And I will be doing another giveaway when I reach 10,000 subscribers. I will be doing a big makeup giveaway. So tell all your friends and family about my channel, have them subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe yourself. So let's get to 10,000 as quick as possible so that I can do a big, huge makeup giveaway. And let's try to get this video to 9,000 likes. The reason I say 9,000 is because I have 9,400 and something subscribers here. So if all my subscribers like the video, we will definitely get there. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye!